Parts of the caliber.
So who did the brake job? We don't. I mean, customer probably.
Oh, they just kept going.
The tire.
It ain't through.
What's that?
He's supposed to stop.
Calibrate to the rim.
Used to be a rim.
Not in the brake job.
Ah, dude, go stop, man. Too soon, Kurt. Too soon.
Hey, pad's still good.
No, let's go, man.
No, man,
to,
that's good.
They didn't get a warning. They're supposed to pull over when you hear.
So I can press the brakes without.
Out.
Dude, put it back.
It's supposed to be.
Scrap.
This aluminum.
The pads are at least a third of you.
You're supposed to pull over when you have a flat. Man. You're supposed to keep going.
Already broken. I was like, I'm thinking, off the truck, there's a spare. There's a brand new jack set with jack stands.
Oh no.